It's my pleasure to introduce myself, Aishwarya K from 3rd BSc Chemistry. My topic about online education. Online education comes in shades of grey, the voice of teachers, students and the parents from across the country to the fore as they highlight the good, the bad and the ugly faces of online education in India and the need for inclusive education policies. With educational institute closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the government has been encouraging online education to achieve academic continuity. Most high-end private and public institutions have made the switch smoothly using online platforms such as Zoom, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, etc. While many still find it a task, the challenge of online education are multi-faced. It is the time that we Indians as a society understand the online education in India for India. The good. Online education allows for learning something beyond the norm. A learner has access to unlimited topics and global expert in subject, something otherwise not affordable or imaginable for many. Online programs allow people of wide age group to learn at their own pace without incubation and without compromising on their other responsibility. With the emergence and spread of COVID-19 in India, online education has drilled down to the most basic level for schools and colleges. When asked about their experience, the option online is needed in this pandemic situation. It has brought education to us without us going anywhere and it is more flexible. Students are finding it a welcome change from strict schedules and long distance commutes to attend classes. For some others who find learning in large classes intimidating, these may be less stressful option. Many teachers are making the best of the situation by exploring new methods of teaching and assessment. This is encouraging, but the moment online education moves from an optional to the online form of learning and that to long term, the bad and the ugly slowly become evident. India is becoming to get a taste of this now. The bad. Using the internet for entertainment is common, but for online lesson is a big challenge. Teachers may not be well versed with creating digital content and conveying it effectively online. A sudden expectation from them to upgrade and from students to abate is unfair. I don't know receive continually feedback in their form of students. Reaction during online session. How many students have paid attention in a class? Of those, how many understood the lesson? Is this teaching place alright? Or some students getting left behind? These questions arise even in a traditional classroom, but they are harder to address in an online class. Finally, education is not just about subject knowledge, but also about developing social skill and sportsmanship among the students, which is built over a year. The ugly. While India enjoys a wide geographic and cultural diversity, it also suffers from a huge socio-economic divide. Only a small part of the Indian population has access to online education right now. Interrupted power supply, weak or non-existent internet connectivity, or unaffordability to buy necessary device are major concerns. For example, in a class of 40 students, after 2 months of online class, around 20 students regularly attend class with whatever device and connection they have. Around 5 to 8 students are completely absent till the date and rest. To deal with the internet connectivity and device availability issues, classes in many places are happening via sharing of videos by teachers over WhatsApp or YouTube so that students can watch them at their convenience. Uniform and effective online education in India, what is being done and what more is possible. There is a global recognition of the need for inclusive education policies during the pandemic to make online education more effective, accessible and safer. Various online resources like links listed below. The training programs and schemes have been developed by the Government of India for students, teachers and educational institutions. Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity.